All right, let's take a look at our last problem, all right? We got 4 terms here. We have 2x squared for our first term, and we know that 2 x's come out and become 1. So we have x square root 2, all right? We break 75 down. We know that it's 3 times 5 times 5. Well, 5 is a pair, and that's going to come out, leaving us 3 underneath the radical. But we do have x to the 4th. What is that? That's 2 sets of x squareds, all right? So plus, here's our 5 that came out. Here's our 2 sets of x squareds that came out to become x squared. And then we're left with a 3. There's no more letters underneath, okay? Then we end up having negative 2x squared square root 3, and nothing can be done to that term. It's as simplified as it will be. And then we know that 18 is 2, 3, and 3, so we're going to pull a 3 out, and that 3 is going to join with this x, and the only thing that's left over is the square root of 2, all right? Now, what ends up happening is, just like we would combine like terms, we're going to put down all the square roots of 2, and we'll underline those in the sign in front of it. Then we'll do the square root of 3 and underline the sign in front of it as well. Now we'll combine like terms, and again, just like what we're doing here, we're going to leave our radicals intact. X minus 3x. 1x minus 3x. What is that? That's a negative 2x square root 2. So combining 1x minus 3x leaves us negative 2x square root 2. Close those down. All right. And then a positive 5 and a negative 2 is going to be a positive 3. All right. X squared. Because it's a square root of 3x squared times square root of 3, all right? We ended up doing the outside of these, a positive 5 and a negative 2 is a positive 3. So this becomes our answer, all right? Remember, when you're adding and subtracting radicals, you need to make sure that you simplify everything down as much as it'll go, and then follow the same rules you would follow for combining like terms, a lesson that we've already done before, where you make sure that you're simplifying by the adding and subtracting of each one. All right? I hope the video has been a help to you. Take care now.